It is once again time for the Law on You with the Aries Premier Attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. It seems like all the questions lately have to do with this snow and ice that we've been getting.
Because everyone's getting hurt.
I know.
Yes.
And
on the slippery sidewalks.
And Chuck, you were on the slippery road. You said a driver slid on snow and hit your car. They're blaming the storm for the accident. They want to find out, is that true?
So you can't technically blame the storm for the accident if you were traveling, or if he or she was traveling at an unsafe rate of speed, following too closely. I mean, there's lots of rules of the road that could have been violated, especially in a storm. You have to be much more careful in a storm. Slower, don't tailgate. Obviously pay attention to your surroundings, things of that nature. You can't blame the storm. So no, it's not true. While a jury may listen to that and think, well, it's northeastern Pennsylvania, things happen, snowy conditions, maybe you shouldn't be driving at all. Will a jury maybe think that if the case goes to trial? Sure, but no, you just can't blame the storm. You gotta.
It's probably the driver.
Yeah.
I think you got to go after the driver and their insurance company. But I did notice one thing with all these snow questions that we're getting. I'm thinking like Ed may be a little smarter than I give him credit for, because I think you're seeing all these cases that come out of the winter, and that may be why Ed really likes the winter so much. He gets a lot more work from all the snow and ice. I was thinking about like all this snow. Like I like summer, and there's accidents, but more snow and ice. So maybe that's why Ed loves winter so much. I was just thinking about this with all these questions we had the last couple of days.
Or just maybe stay home and watch the Law on You, and then you won't have to be in your car.
True.
Right?
Get smarter.
Get all your groceries delivered. You won't ever have to leave. Thank you, Chuck, for that. If you wanted your question answered, just visit the website or give the hotline a call.